Namaskara, welcome to Royal Raida. Today we are going to review two products. Before reviewing this product, I wanted to tell you we are not going to promote any brands. So this is the information I want to share with my viewers because as on today's trend, the vlogging style has been changed and the products improvisation have been happened. So earlier I used to use different kind of accessories to do the motorlogging, and now the accessories style has been changed. We are going to review two products today. One is the uh, GoPro mode. This is the newly introduced GoPro mode. You can see this product. One of the microphone which is recently reintroduced by Mono. This will cost around 400 plus rupees in Amazon, and this one is the GoPro mode. This is a new one. Earlier used to having the adapter. This one is the GoPro mode, and this cost around 7,500 rupees. You are going to review both this product. So first of all, I'm going to review this mono microphone, the mic. So this will come in this beautiful pouch. You can see the brand name here, the Mono, and in this there will be a three accessories will come. One is yes, the microphone. You can see the 3 mm jack as well as the mic. This is the clip to connect here to the mic. So this will be connected to the mic so that you can put it in your collar. So like this, okay. So like this you can put, and you can connect your microphone. So as well as in this the important accessories is this TRS connector. You can see there are two connectors which connects to this so that it will be connected to the GoPro. So like this. In this box there are two brochures, and one is the guide how to use this. The another one is the card. Okay, so beautiful pouch to carry in your traveling. So secondly, I am opening this GoPro mode, and this will be like this. So there will be a sponge for the mic as well as the GoPro mode. This is the GoPro mode. Yeah, you can see this, and there will be a screw available in this. So this is the screw. So this is the screw to fix in helmet, as well as this is the connector. Okay, so this is the connector. So this is GoPro media mode. Okay, this is similar to your GoPro. The housing is almost similar like GoPro, and there is a sponge. There is a mic here. You can see there is a front mic and a back mic. You have to connect this. So this is connecting so that this will help you to noise reduction. So whenever you do the vlogging from the back side, there will be a mic you have to enable, and whenever you doing the your recording from the front, like keeping like this, there will be a front audio. You can switch over both, and there will be a power button, as well as this is the transmitter. You can, if you have a wireless transmitter, you can install it. Otherwise, if you have any flashlight, don't want this, you can remove this. It is very simple to remove, and we can connect back like this. And in this there are three ports. The first port will be the mini HDMI, port, and the second one is the C-type port, and the third one will be your 3mm jack for the mic recording. So this is almost looks similar like your GoPro power button as well as the side button, and housing is well steady and good. So this, to open this, there is a notch here. You have to put the notch and you have to enable, so it will be open. So I will show you how to use this. So this is the GoPro 10, which cost around 21k to 22k in Amazon, and I already opened the GoPro, the side battery cover. So if it is battery cover is there, you cannot insert here directly, so you have to remove that. And there is a 3mm there is a C-type jack here. You can see there is a 3-type jack. So when you insert this GoPro inside this, it will go like this and it will be connect. When you press this, it will get locked. This sound has to come, then it will be get locked. So to connect to your helmet, so this is the connector, guys. So this you can connect, and when I switch on, yes, it's getting switched on. Yes, it's getting switched on, you can see. And there is a audio also. When I'm talking, you can see there is audio also. So this looks really steady, and this is perfect for vloggers. You can see. Earlier I used to having this. I'm using this. Only one challenge using this. Perfect actually. There is only one challenge using this. Whenever you connect this TRS connector, whenever the moment you remove the helmet or opening the windshield, this will get damaged. And the wind blast also, I noticed it will be more. So now I need to see this how it helps. I seeing many reviews that this will be very much steady as well as not much wind back, because this will be connectors will be here, and the adapter also inside this GoPro media mount. So there will be not much wind blast. You can see the audio recording in my next bike ride, so that it will be helpful for you to buy this steady GoPro media mode. I fixed this in a helmet. You can see this is the RRS connector as well as the 3mm jack I have connected. This is well steady. It will not disturb you while riding and while opening the windshield. So you can see while it will be, there is so much of gap, and this is the noise canceller, and GoPro has been fixed. So please provide your comments how it's looking, and I'm going to use this in my next ride, and I'll provide my review also on this GoPro media mode. So this is how it looks. So this is how it looks. The TRS connect is connected. This wire I need to put. Thank you for watching, and kindly subscribe if you still not subscribe, and support. Thank you.